When was the last time you found high-demand products at truly affordable prices on Amazon? If you haven't yet, this video is exactly what you've been looking for. On this channel, we carefully curate products from Amazon that have strong reputations, high ratings, and proven customer trust, so you can shop with confidence. Amazon offers an incredibly wide range of categories. From everyday essentials like food, clothing, and household items, to more specialized needs like electronics, automotive gear, home improvement tools, books, and niche hobbies, it's hard to find another platform with a catalog this extensive. And with services like Amazon Prime, you can enjoy fast shipping, including same-day delivery in select areas, making it even more convenient. In this video, we're featuring products designed to make your daily life easier. These are fast-selling items with high demand and positive reviews. You can explore all the products and detailed information through the links provided in the description. Everything you see here, from product highlights to full details, is just one click away. We also highlight special deals at affordable prices in every video on this channel. Be sure to check out our playlists and subscribe to stay updated with daily recommendations. You might just discover products you've never come across before. From personal experience, shopping on Amazon has been incredibly satisfying. Delivery times are reliable, and the products match their descriptions accurately. Plus, it's easy to find great deals that fit your budget. It's definitely a platform I keep coming back to for my everyday needs. For added peace of mind, Amazon regularly offers monthly deals and promotions. And if something doesn't meet your expectations, their return policy is simple and hassle-free, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're protected. Enjoy the convenience of shopping from home with just one click through the links in the description. Amazon is a trusted destination for all your shopping needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. And feel free to leave a comment about your shopping experience once your order arrives. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.